Dear friends, with the blessings of His Holiness Sri Sri Ravi Shankar, it gives me great pleasure to welcome you all to the 6th International Women's Conference, Harmony, Evolution Towards Perfection. Harmony to me is when I'm peaceful within, when I'm able to connect to people. There's a sense of belongingness. In this very hall, we are gathered. Thousands of people have meditated here. And the air is vibrant with positivity. This space of friendliness and positivity, this is a right place I feel, to sow the seeds of positive transformation. Today here I am very happy to see women from over 59 countries. We are still counting. We are very happy to welcome all of us here, all beautiful women. And we have 350 rural women also here. We'll be interacting with them. Swagata ellargu. See, everything in this universe has a purpose, and we have a higher purpose. Recognizing that and valuing life over everything else is harmonious living. Sharing and caring, this is what Art of Living has done is doing still for the past 33 years. We are proud once again to share this vision of sharing and caring with you when we begin this conference. Together we will discuss various aspects influencing harmony, like making a true global connection, the ability to move through opposites without losing our smile, the skill in finding a perfect solution in spite of multiplicity, restoring balance to the cycle of nature. We have a beautiful session on making happiness fashionable and about humor also. Humor is not just words, it is the lightness of your being and expressing the inexpressible. What is even better is we will be experiencing the inexpressible, the finer aspects of ourselves through morning programs of meditation. When we were children, my brother Sri Sri would celebrate the birthdays of every saint from all faiths. It was like a game for us at that time. But today, I realize how the seeds of honoring wisdom from any source, a broad vision and deep roots were inculcated in us so simply and naturally. This world is diverse. Celebrating this diversity and moving through life smoothly with joy and enthusiasm is a special skill. Maintaining this balance happens effortlessly when you are in touch with yourself. Accommodating the multiplicity, yet standing up for your vision and passion. This is harmony. Leaders today are dealing with solutions for gun control, bans on assault weapons, women's safety, and so forth on one hand, and to create opportunities for education, employment, and healthcare on the other. The choices are not easy. The priorities are all high. The budgets are divided. Violence and crime in society are consuming the time, attention, and efforts of key resources and leaders in our countries. The statistics are shocking, yet the solution is not clear. This is because we have to attend to the root cause of this, which is erosion of human values. As a woman, we are balancing the needs and responsibilities and nourishing these values in our homes. It is very encouraging to see so many women here around the world coming forward to take responsibility to extend their ability for the greater cause of humanity, society. Some of us are focused on the preventive, some curative, some treating the root and some nourishing the positive. Each one of us is special, recognizing that we are unique, the best, and we are beautiful. This is spirituality. A jasmine, yes. A jasmine can be near a lotus, yes, or a rose. They don't compete, they simply are beautiful. They add glory to the garden with our uniqueness. When we come together like this, beautiful bouquet of flower, this is harmony. This is really looking. During these 3 days of deliberation, let us find solutions. Let us find ways which are both practical and mystical. As a person, you are practical, but mind can be mystical. Uniting these aspects, we can find harmony within and extend it to the world outside. We have many great thinkers, and we are eagerly waiting for your views and inspiration that will be shared through tailored various sessions that are tailored to bring out all the values necessary for the evolution towards perfection, harmony. Thank you very much. And once again, I extend a warm welcome to all of you in your own home.